So a whole bunch of you have been asking me to make this video, and I figured I'd just break down and do it. So here it is. So a bunch of you wanted me to make a video showing you how to remove scratches from your guitar finish. Alright, I'm going to do it. And those new subscribers, those of you that are new subscribers, you're going to laugh at this, I'm sure. The old subscribers know this, I use semi-chrome polish, Happage semi-chrome polish. That's what I have always used. The way I found out about the stuff was, as many of you know, I used to be a banjo player many years ago, and I'd use this stuff to polish my banjos. And I got a little bit off the metal onto the wood one time, this stuff. And there just happened to be scratches there, and I rubbed them off, and the scratches were harder to see. Or I rubbed this stuff off, the scratches were hard to see, so I put a little of it on. I thought it ain't going to hurt anything, you know what I mean? Rubbed it on scratches, and holy shit, they're gone, man. It completely removed them. Now you can't remove cracks in your guitar with this. Scratches we're talking about in the finish. Best stuff in the world for it. And it's not even made for that. You know? And I see this stuff popping up all over the place on YouTube. People are using it on their guitars and instruments since I've showed it here. So I'm going to show you how well it works and take some scratches out of this Les Paul. First I'm going to get you and bring you over here and show you the scratches. And then you can watch me polish it, and then I'll get you again and show you the scratches is all going. So right now I'm just going to come and get you again. Hold on. This black is very hard to show scratches on this guitar. There's a bunch of scratches if you look right here. See them? And they are scratches. I mean, they won't rub off. See, I rubbed that pretty hard. There, you can still see them. And there's some real fine scratches. If I can get them to show up, I think maybe you can see them there, right in this area. Let me get the light, maybe to glare on it. I think I'm seeing them in the camera. Yeah. There you go. That's the first two places we'll do. There and right there. All those. See that? Let's do it! I guarantee you this stuff, we'll take that off and you'll never see anything there at all. And I've been using this cloth quite a bit, so what you want is a soft cloth, cottony like cloth. And you have to be very sparing with this stuff. You can see how little bit I've got on there. I'm going to do these over here first. I think I'm in the camera, yeah. Now, you want to rub this. It's got a very light abrasive compound in it. And you want to rub in circular motions, and depending on how deep or bad the scratches are, you know, for deep scratches you press harder. If they're not so deep, don't press so hard. Same with rubbing it off. Same thing applies, rubbing it off exactly the same way. And that's going to take another round. Sometimes you got to do it several times to get rid of it. I'm going to press a little bit harder this time than I did that last time. But I guarantee you this will take every one of those scratches out. Also, as you work toward the final ending of your work, when the scratches are going, you want to work a bigger surface and try to blend in what you worked, you know, what you rubbed out with the rest of the guitar. Sometimes you can take scratches out of a certain area, and if you don't do that, then you can see that, you know, when you look at the guitar, you can see where you worked at. If you make your area bigger each time, then that kind of blends in with the rest of the guitar. Presto. Scratches. All gone! All gone! At least I'm not seeing them, but I don't trust my eyes very much. I'll get you in a minute. Now I need to do it one more time and work a bigger area, as I can see where I stopped at. So let's go that one more time. Very lightly. And I want to go a little bit bigger this time with it. just to help blend it in. Just cover the whole thing up through here. That way you shouldn't be able to see any scratches at all. I don't think it had any up there on the horn anyway. Is that, they call that a horn on Les Pauls? I never really thought about that. I don't know. Yes, sir. I think that did it, folks. Sorry about the ACs running in the background. Wow, it's been hot here. And what I understand, it's been the whole nation's been kind of warm. Zeke's here with us. I don't know where cue ball is. Yeah, that did it. I actually see a little bit of scratching up in here, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to show you this part that we're concerned with first. But first, I'm letting this run in real time too, so you can see how quickly it works. I'm going to go ahead and tackle that too. And you can see how fast or how long it takes to get rid of these scratches. I got way more of that stuff than I needed. Not a mistake. The reason you want to rub in circular motions, if I just ground at it back and forth like that, and you can definitely see where you worked at without question. Zeke, what are you doing, man? Zeke's down there around my feet. I'm getting hoarse, man. I didn't do anything today. Sat inside ACs all day. Got up to 96 degrees here today. They're saying it's supposed to get up to around 100. And this is already done that fast. I saw some belt buckle rashes on the back of this guitar. We'll tackle that too. Yeah, man. Alright, I'm going to get you now. And we'll have a close-up look, or you will. Hold on. There Zeke is. Say hello to him, Zeke boy. He doesn't talk as much as Cue Ball does, but he does talk now and again. Alright, give you this perspective here. And I'll try to get the same light right here as we had a few minutes ago, if I can. Yeah. It needs to be rubbed down with a completely different clean cloth now. But you can see those scratches are all gone. Completely removed. Check it out, folks. They're not there anymore. Now these over here at the pickup cavity. How'd I get the light on that? I didn't move the guitar, did I? No, that should. There we go, I think. Now I think you can see. I see some marks there. I'll have to go over that one more time, even lighter. You can see my work, and we don't want that. You don't want to see your work. It should just look like that horn does. It, you know, shouldn't be anything. But you can see it removed those scratches, but I put more in it. But that's an easy fix. Just one more time over it very lightly. We'll take those out. And then I'll bring you back. And, well, let me show you the belt buckle marks here. Now, these are pretty bad. Right there. I'll give you perspective. There's the switch cavity. I'll come back from the switch cavity. They're right in there. There they are. They're up awful high for belt buckle marks. Yeah, I think you can see those okay. Yeah, there you are. We'll tackle those next. Hold on. Now these scratches are right in this area right here. I've got a different cloth. Got a little bit cleaner one. I've used that other one quite a lot. Let's see, where we at? Right in there. You know, if they're really deep, and I mean really deep, this doesn't work so well. But it'll work pretty good if you apply more pressure. And you got to apply less pressure as you finish. Or like I say, you will leave circular marks in your finish. I still see them a little bit. And like I said, sometimes I got way more than I needed again. I usually do. Almost every time. You know, you just got to kind of use your head, go by feel, and watch what watch what you achieve each time you do this. They're all going except one big one. I think maybe one more time we'll do it. Them was fairly big scratches, and there's two up here. They're even bigger than the ones I'm doing right now. So maybe I won't bore you with doing. I think you'll get the idea. If it completely removes these, at least you'll be able to see that this is a system I've used for many years, man. Many years. The stuff won't chemically react. I've used it on all kinds of different finishes, and it's never chemically reacted to any of them. I think it'd be safe to say that you could use it just about on any kind of finish a guitar might have. I still see it just a little bit, and I'm going to go over it one more time, and then I'll tackle these off camera because I don't want to bore you completely to death. Oh man, I've done it again. You only need a wee little tiny bit of this stuff. But then you want your work area to get larger as you finish. So I'll kind of use that whole bunch for that too. Working a bigger area. Amazing. Miracle salve. That's what the thing should say. The scratches are all gone. Completely removed. Alright, let me come and get you. I'll usually take a clean cloth after that and just go over the entire thing with that. I really need to polish this entire guitar, but I know I'm going to be handling it a lot, so you know. Alright, let me get you and I'll show you. Okay, there's the switch cavity. We come straight back, and you remember they were right in there someplace. Yeah, I can't tell where I rubbed and where I didn't rub. The others were right in this area. And I don't know what that is right there. I see some scratches there I just now seen that I didn't see before. Now I can't get them to show up again. But you can see the scratches are gone, man. Those ones that I rubbed out are gone. They're invisible. But I see some others on there that I need to address. Check that out, man. Scratch free. The whole guitar needs cleaned up, but I'm not going to polish it until I get ready to put it together. I'll be handling that guitar quite a lot, so I'm going to wait, you know, until I get ready to put it together before I do any of that. Those scratches are gone, man. Check that out. See, right there's one. I didn't see that right there before. Oh, that was dust, I think. It's so hard to see on that black anyway, but there's proof this stuff works. A mirror image just in minutes. Air conditioning sure makes it nice and cool in here, but man, it's drying me up, I'm telling you what. I'll show this to you under that light. Maybe you'll be able to see it better. We remove scratches here and here, just below the pickup cavity right there. So if I can get the light to flash on it right, and this area up here. Hold it gun, and on the back of it, they were right in this area. Yeah, let me hold the guitar different. Try it. Right in this area here. See if I can get the light on that. They were up high, awful high for belt buckle marks. I don't know, I can't see the camera, man, well enough with that bright light shining in my face. I can't see it. But it works. Happich semi-chrome polish. There's what the thing looks like. It comes in a box. The box looks just like the tube does. If you can see there. So there you go, guys and gals, ladies. You want to remove scratches from your guitar finish? This is the stuff to do it with. That shit is, I'm telling you, man, it is miracle salve. And like I say, the harder you apply it, press on it, the deeper it's going to dig in. So, you know, you might have to start off pretty hard, depending on how deep the scratches are. I would start easy and see if you can rub them out easier or not, and then rub harder until you get them out. And then put a couple coats on, rubbing easier each time, lighter each time, and you work your area bigger as you, you know, near your end. And I hope it works for you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the request for this video, and cheers. I'll see you again in about 2 or 3 days. Cheers.